We are following developing news out of Stockton, where the city's former mayor is facing new charges. Anthony Silva has been charged with 8 new felony counts, including grand theft by embezzlement, as well as gun charges. New tonight, Silva and his team claiming they were blindsided by these charges.
And at this point, prosecutors are saying he not only took advantage of the city, but also the Stockton Kids Club. Fox 40's Sinceri Tonsel is live in Stockton with everything we know. Sinceri.
Well, Anthony Silva was very much looking forward to walking into court and clearing his name next month when a trial was set to start on older charges. Now he and his lawyers want to know why prosecutors sat on old issues before making this new arrest. Proudly holding his newest son, ex-Stockton Mayor Anthony Silva feels haunted by old accusations he says are worthless. Fox 40 caught up to the recently rearrested father at work, but his lawyer wouldn't let him speak on camera, instead declaring his innocence and speaking about the situation for him.
He's trying to move on with his life. It's like getting a cancer diagnosis and you just can't get away from it, no matter how hard he fights. I mean, he's been waiting years to walk up into a courtroom and defend himself, and now right on the steps of that, he's faced with new allegations from the same period of time.
Same investigators, curious timing according to the Silva camp, with a trial set for November. And those new allegations, 8 in all, 5 of them count shared with former mayoral executive assistant and president of the Boys and Girls Club, Sharon Seamus. They include things like grand theft by embezzlement of $19,000 from a charitable fund, more than $5,000 from a city discretionary fund, and misappropriation of Stockton dollars. All of it tied to his arrest last year for grand theft, embezzlement, and money laundering based on his work with the Stockton Boys and Girls Club, now known as the Stockton Kids Club. Before that, Silva was busted in a youth camp strip poker scandal. Now, like then, his lawyer says looks can be deceiving.
They did send a SWAT team of about 50 to 60 agents, including federal agents, and at the end of the day, he got 40 hours of community service for giving a beer to someone who was over the age of 18. That's what that case ended up being, and that was 2 years in the making. So a lot of this hasn't exactly ended up being exactly as billed.
Stockton Councilwoman Christina Fugazi, who served as Silva's vice mayor, also questions the claims about discretionary funds in these new charges. She told Fox 40 by phone that the city attorney and city manager have to sign off on any use of such funds before the city accountant reviews the expenditure and cuts a check, specifically to limit abuse. The newest charges also accuse Silva of having an AR-15 and ammunition prohibited as a result of the case involving supposedly inappropriate contact with teens at that summer camp. Another lawyer for Silva says his client was never made aware of any such provision, and this charge falls short of the law.
There was nothing said, there was no receipt signed by him that he couldn't possess firearms. You have to have notice, because we only want to publish what's called guilty minds.
We categorically deny these allegations.
We reached out to current Mayor Michael Tubbs for some reaction about what may have happened to his city here. He said he would send us a statement, and we are still waiting to receive it. Reporting live in Stockton, Sinceri Tonsel, Fox 40 News.
Sinceri, thank you.